The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Tony Abou-Ganim, the modern mixologist. I wonder if back in 1941, when Jack Morgan and John Martin got together and mixed their vodka with ginger beer and a little lime in a copper mug, they had any idea what a splash they would make. The key to a great Moscow Mule is the copper mug. This is the copper mug from the Modern Mixologist line. We offer two. We have the smooth and the hammered version. So as we're going to build this, we're just going to fill it up with some cracked ice all the way to the top. And again, important here to use the right type of ice. We don't want cubed ice, we don't want crushed ice. Pellet or cracked ice is ideal. To this we want to add 1/2 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice. So using our Modern Mixologist brushed aluminum, beautiful, beautiful lime squeezer. And then we're going to hold on to that spent lime shell, as that is going to act as our garnish. The small or pony end of the Modern Mixologist jigger measures 1 ounce to the very top, where the large cone, or better known as a jigger, measures 1.5 ounces, with the line in the middle that measures 3/4, and on the pony we have the line that measures 1/2. To this we want a good 2 ounces of vodka. Remember, the pony, the top or small cone, measures 1 ounce to the very top. All right, now we're just going to top this with chilled cock and bull ginger beer. And if you don't have a bottle opener, your Modern Mixologist lime squeezer doubles as a bottle opener as well. Top that up. Give it one stir with the bar spoon, and that lime wedge goes right in as garnish, like they were drinking at the Cock and Bull back in 1941. Moscow Mule.